To remove a SIM card out of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, we first need the SIM ejector tool. This can be found in your Z Flip 6 box inside of this leaflet here. Now, if you don't have your old box, you can use a paperclip, a pin, or a SIM ejector tool from your old phone. So once the phone is opened, on the left hand side, we see this outline in the hole. This is the SIM card tray. And so we will insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into that hole, and then we'll push down, and we'll stop pushing when the SIM card tray has partially ejected. We would then use our fingernail to pull the tray out of the phone. And so we should see this contact, and so we should just be able to push the SIM card out. Now, once it's out, you can put a new one in. However, if the phone was open like this, then you have to flip the tray over. Then you should be able to install the SIM card like that. So again, if the SIM card isn't fitting in the SIM card tray, then just flip the tray over. I'm going to take my SIM card out, and then we just need to put the SIM card tray back into the phone. If it's not fitting in the phone, again, flip the tray over, and now we're done.